How to watch SEC Plus on YouTube TV. Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to watch SEC Network Plus, SECN Plus, on YouTube TV using the ESPN app, so you can catch those exclusive SEC games without any hassle. Important notice: SEC Network Plus is not a standalone channel on YouTube TV. It's a digital-only feed that requires you to use the ESPN app with your YouTube TV login. Some events may also be available on ESPN Plus, which requires a separate subscription. Step 1. Open the ESPN app. Launch the ESPN app on your device, smartphone, tablet, smart TV, or streaming device like Roku, Fire TV, or Apple TV. Step 2. Sign in with YouTube TV. In the ESPN app, select Login with TV Provider. Choose YouTube TV from the list of providers. Follow the prompts to complete the login process. You might be asked to enter a code at espn.com/activate if you're using a device like a smart TV. Step 3. Find SEC Network Plus content. Once logged in, navigate to the Channels section in the ESPN app. Scroll down to find SEC Network Plus. Select it to view the available live events. Step 4. Watch the game. Select the game you want to watch. If prompted, ensure you're selecting the SEC Network Plus stream and not the ESPN Plus stream, as the latter requires a separate subscription. Troubleshooting tips: if you encounter issues, double-check that you're logged in with your YouTube TV credentials. Try accessing the game through the ESPN website if the app isn't working properly. Ensure your device's software and the ESPN app are up to date. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more smart TV tips and tutorials.